Hello friends, how are you? I'm fine. Thank you. Please, presentation. My channels, my videos, very important topics. The 8 in generate to traffic generation rank boosting the search engine strategy. The 8 in generating ingredient to a traffic generate rank boost search engine optimization strategy. 8 grading in grading traffic generation. The most you will have heard the search engine optimization, their our audience, the relation to digital marketing. Online business and internet click and generate relation you spend how many people simply recommended those the little and but reveals understand with your the mains. The first you have got the convert and is the your first time the coming access price, then your luckily the post you're going learn everything need to know order carry effective search engine optimization strategy where going to convert. Search engine is way more important than even the basic of search engine strategy, keyword, meta, data, and link building, technical computer, and each specific topic that will step by up and search engine success based on search engine optimization trends. The importance of search engine optimization, according the digital approximate the marketing below the search engine optimization, this is the key to online success, which is more business Alcon and average 41% there are marketing budget to it is the short ranking the time of another people search engine optimization strategy can relevant not just your online traffic but your business in host. Give the way the world is right now. Internet use in the higher it is overbased. There the fundamental has used doing more online shopping. State systemic even more movies and television there are usual attention engage zoom meeting and lifetime search engine has been calculated for many organizations throughout web to expert must be same so as we approach and the year to year. How can you create and search engine optimization strategy that move with the times will they start that are the basic. The top search engine optimization train and drive more traffic. What even search engine strategy must have 10. The number one keyword trading. The keyword are the possible are company communication search for Google, Bing, Yahoo, etc. etc. There they calculate part of dynamic and website ranking, use the higher amount keyword, the right place and time, say presentation, the landing boards. Keyword strategy has changed a lot voice over year. It is understood and suffer many that possible local content and Google algorithms. Do you keyword research? Use the white and keyword fit and smart Google Great Smart Days. How to rank keyword 10 step 18 best keyword research tool every needed. How to find long tail keyword. Number 2 metadata. You can think metadata almost are shop windows. Your metadata title and meta description are the first thing using SERPs which the financial one click As a Google use what are no claim important robots and etc. Scam throws and important the meta research quick by including keyword and more Google can more quick understand and relevant your page. Number three, backlinks. As we move into most technical side, there are calculative for uh, search engine optimization including backlinks. This is the when another website links you and the articles, blog posts, no or those help you grade the use domain authorized. It is difficult, important change and people click and throws website and appearance and real domain authorized. You can organic link by writing engage content and link building and etc. The guest blogging, test mobile, answer question and Quora, content sharing. Number four, the technical SEO. Carrying on the fast there are the various technical SEO, the search engine result, and when the ensure speed and quick remove backlinks including and technical SEO. Marketing search engine, great SEO audience with the local website generate. Number five, SEO metrics. Effect search and optimization. Don't you have effective means you need to have those SEO metrics. The mains analytic and then your search engine optimization and SEO metrics. Then are organic traffic and search engine improve and 8 tips and brand effective search engine strategy, right and harm search engine strategy, and targeted keyword all right place and forecast explain UX and for building the relevant link and format content and remove analyze and solve downside, pay attention Google algorithms update, etc, etc. The friends, I can present again the eight ingredients to traffic generate rank boost your search engine strategy. Important the search engine optimization. Why search engine optimization matter? Number one, keyword targeting. Number two, metadata. Number three, backlinks. Number four, technical search engine optimization. Number five, search engine meta. Number six, effective search engine strategy build. Number seven, right and harm search engine optimization. Number eight, target keyword and right place. And last, forecast and user experience UX. The forecast on US experience and UX. There are nothing way to have a negative and narrative sites that you can really use forecast and more few session forecasts most people don't, and the Google will suggest to make the best out of two. Think like dear link, arrow page, messy site strategy will improve what people take away from your website. Only do use value a good experience and easily navigators, but this Samselen also help Google Cloud scan content and dynamics your SERPs search engine rank page ranking, use headlines and shorts, help Google's forecast optimize mobiles and things, help recording your because improve your ranking and generate better conversion over and your Crow website and forecast build the relevant link building key aspect the building domain responsible site. Another is link building will the really touch and outbound extrabound link important you don't know the each important you can provide but you can relevance replicate backlink through others. Key ranking factors and intelligent ranking and marketing notice and content first respect etc. Thank you my friend, best of luck. I can mm, highly presentation my videos the 8 in generate to traffic generating and rank boost your search engine strategy. The week started just a short time motivation space. Thank you, best of luck.